So Kenzie just left me home alone with the baby for the first time since she's been born. She had a hair appointment. It's okay. It's okay. She had a hair appointment she had to go to. She's gonna be gone like 4 hours. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of nervous. It's like the whole like first date kind of nervous thing. As a new dad, like, this is a lot and I need her to be able to trust me. And, it's good for her to step out and, get some fresh air and just be able to be confident leaving me with the baby. So, what I'm gonna do while she's gone is get this living room cleaned up. I'm gonna blame myself. I literally destroy the house. We only have one dog, one cat, and just my girl and the baby that live here. And you would think like 5 adults live here, and it's mainly just me. I pretty much just destroy the house. So I'm gonna probably put her in the baby carrier. That way I can free up my hands and let's get busy. It is my dog's birthday today, which is pretty fire. 2 years old. I have an American Foxhound, so he's 2 years old today. It's 11:20 right now. She literally needs to sleep for like at least 2 hours. So 11, 12, 1. So about 1:30. She should be good. There's nothing like a good old broom. It's kind of awkward. Baby wearing and doing a broom. Can't like be as aggressive as you normally would be. I remember when I was a kid, my dad made me rake the backyard, which had like literally probably 2 feet worth of leaves on it and like on the ground. And his backyard like wasn't even a thing. Like it was small, don't get me wrong, but like no one even went back there. So like no one could see it. No one even went back there. No one went back there before there was leaves. It's not like the leaves were like stopping anyone from going back there. Like no one even went back there. And I remember he made me rake it, bro. And I spent like I was in like high school and I raked it for so long. I swear, like I put in a lot of effort. Like I honestly was like proud of myself. Like I really did that. And then he came out there, like your mom never taught you how to rake. Told you how to rake. Like you need to know how to rake. Keep in mind, my dad was incarcerated a lot of his life, so that plays a huge part in like his OCD. You know what I'm saying? Like people that have been rehabilitated and have spent a lot of time incarcerated, they got OCD, man. And ever since he told me that, like raking, using a broom, I always think about how I hold it. I think I was holding it like this. Like, I don't know. Just like I was a kid, bro. I was holding it like this. Ooh, like you just have to flip your hand, like big deal. But ever since then, bro, I think about it all the time. Like my fucking rake. That's my goal. Like not necessarily my goal, but I won't have my kid in no fucked up household. Like I can't be doing that. Not that like it just was like not that like I have any issues like because I didn't have a dad. It's just the fact that I don't even know what it's like to have one. You know what I'm saying? And like people would like that have like 2 parent households. Like what the fuck? Like what is that? Like that'd be wild having like 2 parents like to like ask or like if one of them said no and like you go ask the other one or like you know what I'm saying? Like 2 people like and I was the only child, bro. Like I was bored. You know what I'm saying? Like I was dead ass bored. And we lived in the country and we were kind of poor. Like we had dial up. Man, I used to load a movie or something, go to school and hope that movie would be done by the time I got back. Like our internet was so slow. It was terrible. But like it made me go outside for real. Like being an only child, like I got really good at things. Like I got really good at basketball. I was really good at skateboarding because that's all I had to do. Like I didn't have the video games or like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't have the internet. I had to play LAN, bro. Like, I had to have my friends come over and we'll play like split screen LAN. I didn't have no Xbox Live or nothing. I couldn't have it. I ain't had that freaking internet. That was a big issue growing up. Freaking internet. I wanted high speed internet so freaking bad. Like, so bad. Like, bro, this is absolutely disgusting. And look at all this hair, bro. I do this all the time. Like, dead ass. All the time. Like, I probably did this before, like, legit, I ain't gonna lie, probably 3 days ago. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's a big ass thing. All this hair, bro. First, what I do, I sweep it, get all the big shit. Then I'll go through with the vacuum. I got like this Bissell vacuum. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I do. Let me know if y'all do something different, but we don't have like a crazy, hectic, like chaotic house. It's like the complete opposite. Like, you know, you go to some people's houses and their houses are just like literally like chaotic, like straight chaos. Our house is the complete opposite. It's a lot more chill, you know what I'm saying? Like the vibes are just like very calm and just an overall chill vibe, you know? We have pet hair in our house and this thing right here is a lifesaver. It's called a Chom Chom. It's just it's like 20 bucks. I don't know how much it is, but it's like 20 bucks and this thing has been the best thing ever to get up pet hair. You just go back and forth with it. I'm gonna leave the boppy out here because like this gets used right here. This is our like our breastfeeding station right here. So I'm gonna leave that there. I actually put it right on the seat so the dog don't sit there. Got our remote. That right there. Got the Frida baby nail filer. Put this back. I had to file her nails yesterday, man. Like she was scratching the mess out of me.